This is one of our favorite RVs from the 2019 Florida RV Supershow. This is a Travel Lite Evoke, and it is the Class C version. Okay, we are in the Travel Lite Model C. This is an amazing RV. This we hear is like 31 feet. It looks way bigger than that. Living room, nice and light and bright and airy. We've got windows all around. Before I go in the back, this is a bathroom right here with a sliding door, and you've got an expansive bathtub, window in the bathroom, then like a lighted mirror and vanity, all kinds of storage. I love the bright light. A big vanity for RV standards and all of that. I love the fact that there's a window in there. And then we have the fireplace. You've got the TV over it. Nice big fridge. And look at the fridge. It's not like just a plain brown paneling. It's actually stylized. I like that a lot. This kitchen is really beautiful. Look at that huge backsplash and oven. So much storage. Again, you come over here and look at that dinette. Lots of light. And then we are really impressed with this. A king size, full king size bed. Windows, a second door with a screen so you can get some fresh air while you are outside. And then check this out, guys. Another sink and vanity area so you can get, get ready at the same time. So spacious. So many drawers. A lot of storage. Check out this. You've got the big hanging storage there. You got some shelving. I just can't get over the fact that there is a vanity in the bedroom and it's a full king size and it feels light and bright and spacious. Again, this is Travel Lite. This is the Model C. And one last thing, I will show you this storage that was right when you walk in, and look how deep that goes. And there are two of those. So you could really stack up a lot of bins and whatnot. Tons of storage.